Rough idle is when your car's engine RPM fluctuates noticeably while stationary, typically between 600 to 1000 RPM. This causes vibrations and potential stalling. It indicates an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture, ignition timing, or mechanical synchronization. This happens in internal combustion engine vehicles. Electric vehicles and hybrids generally don't have this issue due to their different engine designs. The first common cause of rough idle is dirty or faulty spark plugs and wires. These components ignite the air-fuel mixture in the engine. Over time, they can become worn or covered in deposits, leading to misfires that cause uneven engine performance. Replace spark plugs every 30,000 to 100,000 miles for optimal function. Second, vacuum leaks occur when cracked hoses or gaskets allow unmetered air into the engine. This disrupts the air-fuel mixture and causes the engine to run unevenly. Inspect hoses regularly and seal any cracks to restore proper idle. Third, clogged fuel injectors restrict fuel flow due to deposits and buildup. This leads to improper fuel delivery and rough idle. Clean injectors regularly with injector cleaner or have them professionally serviced to maintain smooth operation. Fourth, a faulty mass airflow sensor inaccurately measures air intake, disrupting the air-fuel ratio. This causes the engine to run rich or lean, leading to rough idle. Clean or replace the MAF sensor to ensure accurate readings and stable performance. Fifth, a dirty throttle body has carbon buildup that restricts airflow. This affects idle stability and can cause the engine to fluctuate. Clean the throttle body with throttle cleaner to remove deposits and restore smooth operation. A malfunctioning oxygen sensor, or O2 sensor, provides inaccurate feedback on the air-fuel mixture to the engine control unit. This leads to lean conditions, causing misfires and rough idle. Replace the sensor to restore proper combustion. EGR valve issues occur when the exhaust gas recirculation valve sticks open or closed, disrupting the air-fuel mixture and causing rough idle. Clean or replace the valve to ensure proper exhaust recirculation. A clogged PCV valve causes pressure imbalances in the crankcase, allowing oil vapors into the intake manifold and contributing to rough idle. Replace the inexpensive valve to restore ventilation. Low engine compression from worn components like piston rings or valves results in uneven power and rough idle. Perform a compression test to diagnose and consider an engine overhaul if needed. ECU software issues or wiring faults can cause artificial idle fluctuations. Use an OBD tool to scan for codes and reprogram the engine control unit as necessary. Spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mixture in your engine. Worn spark plugs cause misfires and rough idling. Inspect and replace them every 30,000 to 100,000 miles. Consider iridium plugs for extended lifespan and reliability. Fuel injectors can become clogged with deposits, restricting fuel flow and causing rough idle. Start by cleaning them with a fuel injector cleaner added to your fuel tank. If the problem persists, consider professional cleaning or replacement of the injectors. A faulty mass airflow sensor, or MAF, inaccurately measures the amount of air entering the engine. This leads to an improper air-fuel mixture, causing rough idling as the engine struggles to maintain stable RPM. A malfunctioning oxygen sensor, or O2 sensor, provides incorrect feedback on the air-fuel ratio to the engine control unit. This can cause the engine to run too rich or too lean, leading to rough idling and poor performance. To fix these issues, clean or replace the MAF sensor, which typically costs $100 to $300. For the O2 sensor, replacement is usually necessary, costing $100 to $400 per sensor. Regular tune-ups and maintenance prevent most rough idle issues by keeping your engine components clean and properly calibrated. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes that can indicate underlying problems causing rough idle. AI-powered diagnostic tools and smartphone apps are increasingly helpful for early detection of issues before they worsen. Remember, proactive checks save time and money in the long run by catching problems early. For deeper dives, reference ASE publications or OEM service manuals for comprehensive guidance.